The WSC has come a long way since its inception, and thanks to all the hard work done by the WSC and the BEI team. This year too, the team led by Mr. Parag and Mr. Nandakumar have put in their best regarding the logistics and support to the jury team and to the participants. It was an enjoyable and learning experience for all of us. The chairman and the office bearers also encouraged us with their presence and participation during site visits and special meetings. The juries appreciated new trophies started by WBSC, the first for government projects. It is astonishing to note the skillful work of the government contractors to respect design parameters and economic solutions. It is appreciable that these contractors produce great buildings against all odds using modern materials and techniques. Most of the projects are now led by a young team of builders, contractors, architects, and the concept of Achhe Din was clearly visible in terms of newer approach to construction, more refined and precise. The skillful project management witnessed through the documents which were examined by the juries seem to have led to quantitative quality achievement with compressed time parameters. The newly started Young Entrepreneur Award is a fantastic concept to encourage the youth, at the same time present the best role model. We all enjoy talking to these young entrepreneurs and we are proud of their achievements in the short span of their career. God bless them. Apart from speed, quality and economy, systems, records, test labs, softwares, managerial skills were also examined, and an individual marking system was established which would finally help for selection. The presentation by participants before site visits give opportunities to the participants to explain projects and details and also help making juries aware of the project, challenges and achievements. Safety is now a concerned activity, and it was encouraging to see all the safety standards and trainings becoming an integral part of the project management. The softwares of construction and project management are helping contractors towards precise estimation of time and cost, and tracking of safety and quality standards is now easily possible. Standardization and modularization techniques are mastered by the contractors and builders, and that is an encouraging sign towards perfection. Newer materials and technologies are being ventured, and it was worth noting the rise of precast construction. It goes without saying that the greatest happening has landed in Pune, and let us salute BI for offering showcasing platform to the rising heroes of the building industry. May God bless all of us to reach the anticipated heights of Achhe Din for our industry. Thank you.